Hi, Chris here from Woodsman Spirit channel. I just wanted to do a brief clip on finishing off this JB Stohler 3-pound axe that I'm building on a Gramfus Brooks falling axe shaft. I just want to show you a few tips and fitting details of this. So here's the head. Very nice head. Soaked it for 2 days in industrial strength white vinegar. Filed out any scaling on the inside of the eye. It's fairly sharp, but it's as you can see, it's quite pitted, so I'll probably work the edge up on it. The thing with these though is they've got a very small eye. And so I think that you have to take a lot of care and detail with fitting the haft, because you don't have as much material as you do with most of the modern axes, falling axes. And I want to use this as a lighter falling axe because it has a great cutting ability. So as you can see, it's rather a pronounced wedge shape, and I think this is what gives it its incredible chopping power. And on these you've got a hardened pole, which I think was welded on separately, and you can see a grind line there, which is where the hardened edge is. I think it's a folded forged head. That's the classic cross stamp and JB Stohler stamping on the head. So in terms of fit and finish, well, as you can see there, the dark patches are where the shaft makes contact inside of the eye. So that's fairly well spread out on there, that's pretty good. And turning it over, again, you can see the darker patches on there. So it's fairly even on both sides. I've taken a little bit off here. You can see where it's been biting in as I've did the 5th or 6th fitting of the head, because I usually do anything from about 4 to about 10 fittings to get these things right. And you've got to get the fine wedge at the front spot on, otherwise your head doesn't sit square on the haft. You also notice I've drilled through there. These holes are drilled to prevent splitting as you drive the wedge down. It tends to stop them splitting. And I've opened up the standard kerf with a broader blade saw, and I shall use a handmade wedge, which is here. As you can see, it's quite a slim wedge that I made up from a piece of hickory. I made it custom sized for this axe. I've just got to trim off that edge where I've put a pencil mark on it.